Hello students, today we'll start our exercise 12b. Okay, so let us see the exercise 12b. For each net, name the 3D shape. We have to tell 3D shape. You also remember 3D shape is also known as solid shapes. Okay, 3D shapes has length, breadth and height. So we have to see the nets and we have to try to identify the shape which can be made out of it. So let us see. If you look this one, actually if you look this one, you will see the first question. If you see, if you fold it, if you take this one as base and you try to fold this one and this one, then this will be on the top and this will go on side. So it will definitely will form a shape. Okay, it will form a shape which will look somewhat like this. Okay, so it will form a cuboid. Okay, so what it will be? A cuboid. So the first one is cuboid, and this one is actually having a square base, and on the sides we have triangles. So if you will fold these triangles, if you will try to combine or attach these triangles with each other, then you will get a shape somewhat like this. So this shape is actually a square pyramid. What it will be? A square pyramid. Okay, now see this one. It has two triangles on its each side. Okay, two triangles on each sides and two rectangles on the sides and one base. So if you see, total 3 rectangles and 2 triangles, it forms actually a triangular prism. We can say triangular prism. This is known as a triangular prism. Okay, then we have another net. Let us see. This net has total 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces, and that also faces of equal sides. So equal sides faces, that means you will get a cube from here. If you will take this one as your base and you try to fold, then you will get a cube. Okay, so let us see question number 2. Match the names of 3 shapes. Match the names of 3 shapes with their nets. So we have to find out the net of cuboid first. So cuboid, you know, it is made up of what? Cuboid is made up of rectangles. Okay, so if you see here, this shape is completely made up of rectangles. So you can join this one. Okay, now triangular prism have 2 triangles on each side and 3 total rectangles. You see here 1 2 and 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. So this is your triangular prism. Now you see this one, cylinder. We'll see. Okay, cylinder always have 2 plane surfaces, that also one on the one on the top and one on the bottom, and we have one curved surface. So you see this one, this net, if you will fold it, you will definitely get this one. So cylinder is number 6. Now cube has 6 faces. You know, you see this one, this is having 6 faces. So this is your cube. Okay, so now see square pyramid. So square pyramid has one square as a base. Okay, one square as the base. So if you take this one as base and if you fold them all, you will get a square pyramid. And now triangular pyramid, or sometimes known as tetrahedron. So it has all the shapes made up of triangle. So this is only we have which is totally made up of triangle. So this one is triangular pyramid. Now cone is this one directly. You see, cone has one plane surface and one plane face and one curved face. Okay, so now let us see question number this one, what it is said. Multiple choice question, MCQ. Shown alongside is the net of a solid. So this is a solid and we have to identify what solid is it. we have done this one here also in the previous question. You can see this one we have done here. So we named it as what? We named it as square pyramid. So that means it is a square pyramid. So we can click on pyramid. Now let us go for which of the following nets cannot be folded to make a cube. First of all, count the number of faces. If you see, this one has total 7 faces. That means this cannot be changed into a cube or cannot be made into a cube. Now rest of them, all of them has 6 faces. That means we can try to fold them mentally. You can try, or you can cut pieces out of the paper and try. If you will try to fold this one, your result will not be a cube. Okay, it will be an incomplete cube. And if you fold this one, then also you will not get a complete cube. But when you will fold this one, then you will get a complete cube. If you take this one as the base and you try to fold it, sorry, this one as the base you have to take. If you take this one as the base and if you try to fold it, you will get a pyramid. This one cube you will get. You will get a cube. So let us see which of the following is net for a cylinder. Let us see which one of the following is the net for a cylinder. So if you fold this area, if you fold, then what you will find, these two faces, these two plane faces will coincide with each other. That means they will get coincide with each other. Okay, if you fold these two, then also the problem will be, definitely this will reach at the bottom, but this will not go on the top. It will be on somewhere on the side. Since it will be on the side, the up part will remain open. So this also is not a cylinder. Now let us try to fold this one. If you fold this one along this side, then this will reach on bottom and this will be on the top. So that means this is the perfect. And if you try this one, here you see the plane faces are on the same side. That means they will overlap each other. If they will overlap each other, then upside will be empty. It will be open. If it is open, then it is not a cylinder. Okay. So high order thinking skills we will not do. This is all for this exercise.